Assalamu alaikum. My name is nayon.coders. I am a professional hard worker. Last 2 years I am working as a Flutter developer. So basically I am looking for some platform or some environment as a Flutter developer. Thank you. I have completed my SSC from Borishal Board at 2017, and I have completed my diploma in computer science from Borguna Polytechnic Institute at 2020. When I was studying diploma, I gathered some programming knowledge like PHP, Java, Python, and Dart. In my industrial attachment training, I train on Flutter. Before this, I started learn about this on Flutter. After my industrial attachment training, I am starting my first job from People and Tech, where I train as a internship. My internship, I was full-time developer at People and Tech. Then after 1 year, I leave from there and I join Asia Solution Limited. I am working Asia Solution Limited as a Flutter developer remotely. After 9 months, I leave from there and I add FBD. Currently, I am working here as a Flutter developer. It's also remotely job. I cannot talk with English properly, and I'm non-staffable worker, and I love to R&D for my work. My main goal is I made something that can change our life and do easier. I don't have Oscar or medal, something like that, but I get lots of knowledge from my senior and my previous work experience. I have completed 32 plus projects for Android and iOS that also live in Google Play Store and App Store.